Hello everyone, doing another fasting day today. Again, doing the fast 800, it's about 800 calories. I didn't have any breakfast this morning. This is my second week, and I'm starting off with doing 1 day fasting in a week, and then depending on how I go, I will progress to maybe 2 days a week. But I am starving. I didn't have any breakfast. I had a cup of coffee sort of later, about 10 o'clock. And now this is my brunch. So I'm having some egg curry with a bit of rice. And I have got some, salad. I'll mix it all up and enjoy a bite of the salad. It's so yummy. The salad has fruits and vegetable mixed in it. There's pears, there's apples, there's capsicum, there's broccoli, there's lettuce, there's a bit of onion, some cucumber, some carrot. It's all there, and it's really, really good. Egg curry. Look at that. It's really good. It's a really good protein. It's low in calorie, and it actually fills you up. I love egg. That's really, really good. I've learned that when you're fasting, really good to eat good protein. For me, eggs the best. Scoop it up. So yummy. Oh, hot. I'm going to take a bit. I'm gonna walk this afternoon, and I'll show you where I walk. I take a bus home, but I stop few stops early, and I walk probably about 25 minutes, which I think is a good stop. Salad.